So today we would be solving LeetCode question number 1286, and that is iterator for combination. So what is the question says is that we are given with a combination iterator, next has next has next, and it carries on a string and a length. We need to print all the permutations of our given string in a lexicographical manner of size 2. Okay, like for example, the first lexicographical string that for ABC we would print of size 2 would be AB. Okay, then AC, then BC, and it carries on. But we are also given with a has next. Okay, has next indicates whether our next string that is going to be generated, okay, that is going to be generated, can be generated or not. Okay, for our first string it will always be generated. Then comes true for AC, true for BC, and a false. If it is a false, then we need not print the string. Okay, so it goes on like this. I think we must jump into the code directly. So this is the basic approach of backtracking that we have been following. There is just a minor change that for this question we are dealing with a bit of pointers here. Okay, like in this case we just want the pointer pointing to that, or iterator pointing to that starting value of our vector. Okay, and that will be giving our question, our function, the starting value of the iterator. If that starting value is null, then we would be printing a false. Okay, if that is pointing to the end, then also we will printing a false, and that is it. So let us jump on to the code. uh, I would be storing my string s is equals to characters. Okay, as of now, and then int n is equals to combination length. Okay, that is good. We will always be calling our answer function. Okay, and we will be passing, and one more thing is left. um, I'll be taking a set of strings, so that if the strings repeat, if the permutations repeat, that will be just a distinct case. Okay, so we'll be having all the distinct permutations of size, whatever the size would be given. So set of string st. Okay, and a iterator. Okay, set of string iterator, and let us name it it. Yeah, that is it. And after all this thing, I'll be calling my function, and I'll be saying I'll be passing s, I'll be passing n, I'll be passing st, and yeah, and I'll be passing my index I. Okay, as of now, yeah, index I for iterating over my characters. Okay, ABC for iterating over my string. So let us jump onto the answer function. So that will be void. Okay, void answer, and that is taking string ampersand s. What is s? Yeah, that is the characters. Okay, and then it's taking int n, that is the combination length, and then it is taking our sorry, set of string ampersand sc. Yeah, that is it. And yeah, and an integer I, that is for the index. So if at any moment my, yeah, I think something, we need to take one more string temp, that is equals to, okay, that is equals to empty, and we need to pass it, yeah, temp. So string of temp, yeah. Whenever that string temp dot length goes equals to my n, in that case please set dot insert my temp, and please do return, yeah, that is it. After this, whatever we do, the basic things in our backtracking series, okay, what the basic thing that we have done, we'll be doing that only. For int j is equals to I, j is less than, we all know, our s dot size, s dot length, yeah, and then j plus plus, and yes, temp dot push back, what to push back, s at j, yeah, pretty much it, and call our answer function, and then we'll backtrack and st temp and j plus 1, okay, new, and then temp dot please pop out the last value whatever was in u, and yeah, that is it for now. um, that will be returning everything stored in set, yeah, so our set would be returned as it is, and yeah, that is it. It is good to go, but the thing that is left is what should we return at the very end after we have called our answer function. We know that we have received an iterator, we have created an iterator it, so it is equals to um, or it is equals to how to just give me a minute. It, okay, it is equals to, if I just point it onto the starting, it is equals to star of st, no, sorry, let me just search for it. Please give me a second, yeah, I'll just, yeah, how to, just give me a minute, give me a minute. Yeah, sorry. So we would be doing rt is equals to uh, st dot begin. Okay, so that will be taking the beginning of the set, and now what we will be doing is that return star, that is the value of uh, but I think for this thing to happen I need to declare this outside all this, and return star of it, plus plus. That will be iterating over each and every value of my set. Okay, and yeah, has next returns a bool value. So please return whenever my it return true whenever my it is not equals to st dot, or whenever my it, for this also I think I need to declare st outside. Yeah, it whenever it is not equal to st dot end. Yeah, whenever it is not equal to st dot end, please return true, else return false. I think that must work. Okay, that should work. Let us try. Okay, iterator. Is the spelling of iterator wrong? Okay, we cannot directly just insert. Okay, that should not be a set vector. Okay, vector of string iterator it, and but that can be a set also. Let us see. Okay, we have not declared a set, and uh, is that the issue? No. So it says iterator is not a class. Okay, so we need to declare it outside. Okay, let us see. Um, Iterator is not a class. Iterator. Is the spelling wrong? Okay, sorry. Sorry, I have used this in the wrong place. Yeah, sorry. The scope resolution was in the wrong place. And it should not be set, it should be st. First of all, yeah, that is it. And this should not be I, this should be 0. This should be 0. This should be 0. Or this should be 0. This should be 0. Okay, that is accepted. And yeah, I think we have done it. If this remains inside our public function, then that is also okay. Let me just try it. Yeah, that should be accepted. Yeah, that is accepted. And yeah, no more changes, I think. Yeah, we had an error at this position because I was using the scope resolution operator at the wrong place. That was my bad. So yeah, apologies. And yeah, that is it. Let us just submit it. Yeah, that is accepted. And this took us 16 milliseconds, and memory is 13.2 MB. If I get any better approach or any optimized approach for this, I will be sharing it in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, please do comment it down in the comment section. And yes, we will be meeting the next video. Till then, bye.